Last month, a phone company charged 7 cents per minute for the first 300 minutes of calling time and 5 cents per minute for each minute of calling time in excess of the first 300 minutes. For how many minutes of calling time was Bob charged by the phone company last month? Okay, so how can we translate our prompt? We know that for total charges, are equal to, so 0.07 times 300 for the first 300 minutes of calling. And so obviously, if we use less than 300 minutes of calling, this number here will change. And then after that, we got 5 cents times our total time minus 300. And so we want, what is our total time for last month? Statement 1. Last month, the phone company charged $21 for his calling time that was charged at the rate of 7 cents per minute. Okay, so what is 7% of 300? It looks like it's 21. So that doesn't tell us anything about his total time, because that just means he used up his 300 minutes. So he could have had 0 time in excess of his 300, or he could have had 200 minutes. So this will be insufficient, and this doesn't really tell us much. Let's call this T. Statement 2 says last month, the phone company charged $40 for his calling time that was charged at the rate of 5 cents per minute. So here we know now we can figure out what 0.05 times T minus 300 is, because this guy here, this represents his charges in excess of the first 300 minutes. So we know this is equal to 40. So based on this, it looks like B will be sufficient. So first we said A was insufficient. And now based on this, we can solve for T. So this should be sufficient. Let's actually do it. So 0.05 times T. T is our total time. 0.05 T minus, so 0.05 is 1 over 20. So minus 30 over 20 is equal to 40. 0.05 T minus 1.5. So it looks like T is equal to, so 0.05 is 1 over 20, so T over 20 is equal to 41.5. So T is just going to be 41.5 times 20. What is that? 83, so 830. So he had 830 minutes total, or 530 minutes over the first 300. We want the 830, so B is our answer.